Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 super delicious sugar-free desserts. And especially for people who are trying to quit eating sugar or curbing their cravings, these desserts are really going to help. We're going to start off with the chocolate pudding. What you'll need is an avocado, cacao powder, water, salt, and maple syrup. And here I'm using a blender, but I highly recommend using a food processor. I'm using 1 avocado for 1 cup of chocolate pudding. But if you'd like to have more, then I would say 3 avocados. The recipe will be down below in the description box. Adding the avocado and cacao powder, salt, water, and maple syrup as the sweetener. So maple syrup is a much healthier alternative to white sugar. And when you add good fats to any dessert, it really helps to not spike up the sugar level. And then adding it to a cup, and then you can garnish it with shredded coconut. I even added rose petals, dried rose petals, and you can add maybe walnuts or pistachios, whatever you desire, and then you could put it in the fridge. Maybe half an hour, it's ready to eat. I absolutely love this. I found myself getting so full after maybe 5 tablespoons of it. Now we're going to make a fruit salad. Now here you can use any fruit you like. I'm using orange juice or freshly squeezed orange juice to make this even tastier, and it increases the level of vitamin C, which helps to absorb the nutrients, to absorb the vitamins and minerals in food. So cutting up the fruits into small pieces like so, and you can use pineapple, papaya, and it just will taste amazing. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and you can use pears as well. And mixing everything all together in a bowl. I like to use organic ingredients because not only is the nutritional value higher, but also there tends to be quite a bit of pesticides that are absorbed past the skin. For example, strawberries. Highly recommend organic. Now we're going to make the energy balls. What you'll need are dates, almonds or mix of nuts, chia seeds, shredded coconut, and cacao powder. And I love this recipe. I've tried other recipes and this one is perfect. You can grind the nuts like so, and make sure it does not turn into nut butter, because we just want them to be finely ground down. And then adding cacao powder, dates, the chia seeds, and shredded coconut. And pulse it and mix everything together until it's well incorporated, and it'll look like this. Taking about a tablespoon into your hand and a tablespoon of the mix into your hand, and then you can roll it to form balls like that. And you could roll it into shredded coconut, ground up pistachios, but I like them like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. These were the 3 recipes, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.